How to do plank shoulder taps, step-by-step guide. And start in a high plank position. Place your hands directly under your shoulders, fingers spread for stability. Keep your legs extended straight behind you, toes on the floor. Engage your core so your body forms a straight line from head to heels. 2. Brace your core. Tighten your abs and glutes to prevent your hips from rocking side to side. Keep your spine neutral. Don't arch your back or drop your hips. 3. Lift one hand to tap the opposite shoulder. Slowly raise your right hand and tap your left shoulder. Return your right hand to the floor. 4. Repeat on the other side. Lift your left hand and tap your right shoulder. Continue alternating sides in a controlled rhythm. 5. Maintain proper form throughout. Keep your hips level, body straight, and movements slow and steady. Breathe steadily. Exhale when you tap. Inhale when you return. Reps and sets. Beginners. 3 sets of 10 to 12 taps per side. Intermediate advanced 3 to 4 sets of 15 to 20 taps per side, or timed 30 to 60 seconds. Benefits of plank shoulder taps. 1. Improves core strength and stability. Engages your abs deeply to keep your torso from rotating. 2. Enhances shoulder stability. Strengthens shoulder joints and stabilizer muscles through controlled balance. 3. Builds coordination and balance. Challenges your body to stay steady while moving one arm at a time. 4. Promotes functional strength. Mimics real-life movements that require balance and strength across the body. 5. Improves posture. Strengthens your back, abs, and shoulders. Key muscles for good posture. 6. No equipment needed. Can be done anywhere, home, gym, or outdoors. Form tips. Keep hips square to the ground. Avoid swaying side to side. Move slowly and with control. This builds more strength and speed. Spread your feet wider for more balance or bring them closer for a challenge. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.